Meaning of gelatinous.
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 Gelatinous. The term gelatinous refers to a substance that has the properties of gelatin, which is a translucent and tasteless protein derived from collagen. A gelatinous substance is typically thick, viscous, and can range in consistency from soft and squishy to firm and rubbery. Some examples of gelatinous substances include jellyfish, agar-agar, and certain types of food like gummy candies or custards. Overall, something that is described as gelatinous would have a texture and consistency similar to that of gelatin or jello, and often has a slightly wobbly or jiggly appearance when it moves.